St. Pete Pier. Right here. Artwork. They have all kinds of little vendors. Musicians. Trying to make their living. I don't know. I seem to think there might be a wedding down here today, because I see a lot of women with these fancy hats on, like sun hats. It says you can't skateboard or anything down here. See, got local vendors selling their merchandise. Two pet people. Little pet store here. Hot sauce. Season it. Smells pretty good.
Too fast.
Like dresses, sundresses. And over here, across the way, is the Museum of History, St. Pete.
$6 Sundays.
So it costs you $6 to get in there on a Sunday. Not a bad price. Just gonna be walking.
Checking out the sights on the sea.
Flamed copper handmade jewelry. Copper is supposed to be good for arthritis, apparently, but not sure. Little bags over here. Those are kind of cute.
And plants.
What are they? The license plate things? No, I don't know. Seasonal wear, summer stuff, dresses.